Hello and welcome to Bell CB. We're looking at a Connex 3300 HP today. This is a tune-up report for Mike in Louisiana. Mike, the radio by itself, it's a 10 watt scale right there. 10 watts on high, and on low it's 4 watts. We're back in high. Peak power in high. 50 watt slug. We're looking at the scale right in the middle there. There's 40 and there's 50.
Audio check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check, check. Audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check, 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 check. Audio 1, 2, 3, 4. Audio.
Okay. Now, whenever you run this Fat Boy, they send me a Fat Boy 2 pill to match up with it. You're gonna run that RF power in low. I'd run it in low all the time. They don't hear you. You flip that on. That way you don't accidentally. Now I'm going to put this on a 300 watt scale. So that's 100, 200, 300. I'm going to take this out and put in a 500 watt slug. So now we're looking at power here in the middle. 300, 400, 500.
Audio check, check. Is a 100 watt carrier. And over here, audio, check, 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 audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, check, 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 audio. Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, check, 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 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Alright, so 100 swinging to 4. That's the best noise out there. I'm not playing with that. There we go.